Hi everyone, it's nice to be back here with you. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today I will be sharing with you some ideas, some options that maybe you would like to try when you are preparing your instant noodle. Yes, you heard it right, the convenient food in a package, the instant noodle. How to make, not only how to make the presentation better, but most importantly, to up the nutritional value of it. I think that's also important nowadays. You know what I mean? When there's a lot of crazy things going on out there. So to watch a bit what we are eating. Not only for you, but for the whole family. And also this is so convenient and simple that maybe we have this social distancing and quarantine. We have time, but it's also good to have more time for other more important things at home with the family. So join me and let's start cooking. I have the chopstick ready in my hand because I'm a bit hungry. Yoga will start in 2 hours, so I need some hot food as well. And I will show you what I have prepared here. This star of the show is here. My favorite shrimp creamy tom yum flavor. When I'm in the mood for instant noodle, I pick this up from the shop. I took out ready the spices from the package. Soya sauce, sesame oil. We have mix of green leaves. We have rucola. The red veined sorrel, high in protein, and we have spinach as well. Snow peas. Organic egg. And I slice half of a carrot, that would be enough. And for serving, I have crunchy onion, fried garlic, and chopped green onions. And of course, fresh coriander and parsley. Splash of soy sauce in your egg. Our half a liter of water, as per the noodle package instruction, is rapidly boiling. So first what I will do is add the eggs. Let it be. You can break it if you want. I would like to have mine whole. And then the seasoning in it. All of it. If you don't want too spicy, don't put the chili. And one of my favorites, or tom yum spice with some oil in it, I guess. Sesame oil will come after this. Few minutes. It depends how hard you want your eggs to be done. I don't cover it. And as easy as that. It looks a bit weird now, but it's smelling good, I will tell you. I can put the carrots now. Slices of carrots. Actually, the carrots, I leave the peel of the carrots. I didn't peel it. And the snow peas. You can cut this in half. Or just put it like that. I will give it a minute and I will put the noodles. I've got a minute done. The noodles go in. And that's it, guys. I will turn off the heat, cover it, and wait for another minute. Turn off the heat, cover, thumbs up. Looking good in a minute, even less, and our greens goes in. You don't have to put this if you don't want to, but just adding value in it. You don't have to boil it. And that's ready, folks. I have some more leaves here. Put them all together. And we're ready to plate. Smelling good. A bit of sesame oil. Crunchy onion. The fried garlic. Anything you love, add it up. And the white part of this green onion. Don't you just love it? That's it. Our upgraded instant noodle in just few minutes. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.